Hey everyone, Jimmy from the Wash Doctor here. I'm out quoting jobs today. I wanted to show you guys something as we continue to talk about why we soft wash opposed to pressure washing. So here's a deck that we're looking at today, and check it out. You can see the paths from the pressure washer. The homeowner was just trying to do what a lot of homeowners do, and there's actually quite a bit more to it to really restore your deck, to clean it. It's not just pressure washing. And if you guys want us to come out and really beautify your decks, we've done some decks that just are not that nice, and man, when they get done, they look beautiful, and we'd love to do that for you. And as you know, we wash decks, we wash houses and roofs and driveways, and I'm just out and about today getting a bunch of quotes because people are wanting the Wash Doctor. Talk to you later.